Hi, this is Brother Sean with eLearning Brothers. In this tutorial, I'd like to show you how to use the Dragger Flash quiz template. This particular one I have opened up in Adobe CS5, and I'm going to go ahead and publish it so you can see exactly which things we'll be showing you how to do today. I'd like to show you how to change the name of each Dragger button here. So we'll learn how to change those titles. I'll show you how to change the text of the answers over here. And I'll also like to show you how to change the number of buttons and answers that you have in the interaction. Before I actually show you that, I'd like to just show you how we actually are. I'll tell you a little bit about our naming convention on these files. This one is called toDragger_left7. Now the first number is referring to the button size, so this is button size 2, which you need to know if you're going to be changing a theme out. This Dragger_left is just the description title, and then this last number shows you the max amount of draggers that you can have in this interaction. So this one you can have a max of 7 draggers. Right now it's just defaulted to 4. So let's go ahead and show you how to change that to be 4. So back in our on our timeline within Flash, if you go to frame 1 right here, and right in the action layer, if you click that little A keyframe, now this will actually show you the actions on that keyframe, but first we need to open up our actions panel. So if yours isn't already open, you can go up to Window and Actions. So since mine's already open, you'll see that right here it says change the number below to how many buttons you want. 7 is the max. So if we go right here that says BTNS 4, we're going to change that 4 to a 7, and be really careful not to change the BTNS. That needs to be there. If that gets changed, then the whole interaction won't work properly. So just change it to the number you want. So we change it to 7. I'm going to go ahead and just preview that so we can see that it actually now shows 7 drag and drops here. Alright, so now let's show you how to change the actual title of the draggers. I'm going to move my actions out of the way and go over here to our library. Once again, if the library is not open, go up to Window and make sure the library is checked. So in the library, you'll see under the button titles, you have 1 through 7 here. You can just double click on those graphics, and let me zoom in so you can see that better. And then you can just change this title to whatever you want, and you can position this anywhere within the red box. But you need to make sure you stay within that red box. That is your guide, so you know how much space you have to fit on top of that button. You do the very similar thing for the content, or the answers, where you're going to be dragging these. So this would be content 1. You can change that to whatever you want. Copy and paste text in from a storyboard. Pretty easy. You do the same thing for each of your contents. You also have your content intro. This is the text that would show right at the top of the interaction that always displays up there. So you can put in some basic information here that says, you know, drag and drop each item to the correct answer. And then once they get it completed, there is a conclusion text that shows up. Right now it says nice work. You can just kind of copy and paste your text in, whatever you'd like to have show up there. Once you've customized, added all your text in there, you could even import images in. You go ahead and just publish and play that, and the game works just like you need it to. Hopefully that helps you understand how to better use the Dragger Flash interaction. Thanks a lot.